Welcome back to my channel Quest for Knowledge, a platform of learning and motivation especially for the class 12 students. So I have brought a self-analyzed blueprint of reduced syllabus 2020 to 2021 of business studies. As you can see that the blueprint of this year is not being released, but when you compare the previous blueprint with the model papers, anyhow the weightages is being getting extra of those already the chapters which is the weightage is already is more, it is now getting more. I mean the questions will be asked from those syllabus, from those subject little extra. For example, as you can see, the nature and significance of management, 1 mark will be asked. This is from the paper, model paper number 1 and model paper 2. Based on that, when I analyze, 1 marks will be asked for sure, 2 marks will be asked 1 and 4 marks will be asked 2. So from the chapter number 1, 4 marks will be asked 2 and 8 marks will be asked 1 for sure, and no 5 marks will be asked. And in the second chapter, principle of management, so anyhow you will get 90 to 19 marks from the chapter number 1. And chapter number 2, principles of management, as you can see 1 mark is asked 1, and here it, in the model paper 2 it has twice, and 2 marks has been asked twice in both the model papers, and 4 mark has been asked once, and no 8 mark has been asked, and 5 mark has been asked from the model paper 2. So it may, there is a probability so that it can be asked, so the 5 marks can be asked from the chapter number 2 but no 8 marks. And so majority we can gain 13 to 15 marks from the second chapter. And third chapter, business studies, is also very important. Based on that, like 1 mark will be asked, 2 mark will be asked and 4 mark will be asked, but not 8 mark, but 5 marks can be asked for sure. Planning this, as you can see, this chapter, second chapter and fourth chapter is very important. It has the high weightage. As you can see, 1 mark, 2 mark, 4 mark, 8 mark and even 5 mark can be asked from the chapter number 4. And similarly, organizing is also among the important chapters. As you can see, the weightage, it is 16 to 21 of the marks we can obtain from the chapter number 5. So there will be 2 marks can be asked twice. See, 2 to 1 mark has been asked in both the model paper, 2 mark has been asked once, 4 mark has been asked once, and even 8 marks is for sure to become from the chapter organizing, and there is even a chance for the 5 marks also to come from the chapter number 5, organizing. So that majority is 16 to 21. So like how planning is very important, similarly organizing is very important subject, I mean to say a chapter. After organizing, staffing, when you see, surely 1 mark can be asked, 2 mark can be asked twice and 4 mark can be asked 1, 8 mark can be asked 1, but no practical question, no 5 mark will be asked. So it is going to be a consistent chapter for you. Surely from the staffing, recruitment, training and selection, any of these important questions will be asked for sure. Now let's go to directing. It is one of the important topic. Why? Because 2 topics can be asked based on the leadership and communication, or else motivation and the importance of directing. Any in this, twice of the questions can be asked. So 1 mark can be asked from directing and leadership, or else communication. So very important topics are there in this chapter. So even 2 marks can be asked twice, 4 marks can be asked once, and even 8 marks can be asked once, and even we have a practical question, that is 5 mark will be also asked once from the chapter number 7, that is directing. So chapter number 1, 2, 4, 5 and 7 is the most important chapter to achieve good marks. And after that, as you can see, controlling, we can have a consistent marks like 7. So from only 1 mark, 2 mark and 4 mark will be asked for sure, no 8 mark and 5 marks. And financial management, and here we can get 15 to 20 marks, as 1 mark can be asked, 2 mark will be asked once, even 4 marks will be asked once, 5 mark will be asked once, and even 8 marks can be asked once, and even 5 marks can be asked once. So we have a total weightage of 15 to 20 marks we can obtain from the chapter number 9, financial management. As you can see, the total number of questions are 43, and in that anyhow we have to write only 33. So here 1 mark it will be given 12 questions, in that we need to write any 10, and here 2 marks 12 questions will be given, in that we need to write any 10, and 4 mark also 10 questions will be given, in that we need to write any 7, and 8 marks 6 questions will be asked, in that we need to write any 4, and then 5 marks 3 questions will be asked, in that we need to write any 2. So after this is the self-analyzed blueprint. So as you can see, this chapter number 1, 2, 4, 5 and 7 will play a major role to get extra and a very good marks. So if you give more focus on those subjects, I mean to say chapter. So as you can see from chapter number 1 in 8 mark, functions of management and characteristics is important, and for 4 mark objective will be asked, importance will be asked, and even management as art, science and profession. Why? Because from 4 marks 2 questions gonna ask. Once it can ask you for objective and art, or importance or science and profession, anything can be asked. So in chapter number 2 we don't have any 8 marks, but we do have a 4 mark. It may ask you scientific or general, or else principle of management. Chapter number 3, there is no 8 marks will be asked, but a feature of business environment and importance of business environment is very important. And chapter number 4, features of planning and types of planning can be asked, and for 4 marks importance and limitation can be asked. Chapter number 5, importance of organizing and decentralization can be asked, and even delegation can be asked for your 4 marks, and difference between formal and informal and disadvantages of formal and informal can be asked for your 4 marks from the chapter number 5. And chapter number 6, staffing, on the job and off the job, or else training and development benefits can be asked for your 8 mark, and selection and source of recruitment can be asked for your 4 marks. And 7th chapter, qualities of good leadership or else communication can be asked for your 8 marks, and here for the 4 marks, motivation and importance of directing can be asked for your 4 marks. And chapter 8 we do not have the 8 marks, but we do have the limitation of controlling and steps in controlling process for your 4 marks. And chapter number 9 is also very important to a kind. If we see factors of working capital requirement or fixed capital requirement can be asked in our question. And when we go through with the 4 marks, importance of financial planning or factors of financial decision can be asked for your 4 marks. Now let's discuss about the 5 marks. So in the model paper 1, it has asked the question regarding chapter number 3 regarding element of business environment, planning process and hierarchy of motivation, that is from the chapter number 7, direction. So in that we need to write any 2, or else in the chapter number 2, I mean to say in the model paper 2, it has asked chapter number 2, that is Fayol's principle, chapter number 5, organizational chart, and chapter number 9, factors of capital structure. So that anyhow first chapter number 3, 4, 7 and 2, 5, 9 in on or questions can be asked. Anyhow from chapter number 3, 4, 7 can be asked in 1, or else chapter number 2, 5 and 9 can be asked, but the rest chapter number 4, 6, 7, 8 cannot be asked for your 5 marks. Okay, that is it. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you. I really hope this video help you to study better, and all the best. And if you like this video, do subscribe, like and share it with your friends. Thank you very much.